So you want to get better at guitar solos? Me too. In this series, you're going to follow me along as I play through and learn a series of guitar solos. First one I'm going to do is Enter Sandman by Metallica. Now, I have learnt this solo before many years ago, and I did pretty much learn it note for note. So this one will probably be a pretty easy one for me to get and tackle, but I want to make it pretty good because I want to record it and put it on YouTube. So here we go. Now I've got Mr. Tabs up here on my computer screen, and I'm going to take a couple of screen grabs at the end of my practice sessions to show you how I'm going with it. Now to kick this off, I have watched through this at normal speed a bunch of times, and now I'm going to watch through at about 75% to see if I can pick up a few more details while I go. And then I'll be back at the end of my practice session to show you how I went.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so I've been at this for probably an hour or so now. Been practicing it at about 60%, and I'm actually quite surprised. I do remember a lot of it, and I've been practicing it at about 0.6%, and I've kind of been taking it all the way through and then stopping at any sections that I'm not really that familiar with, kind of going over those a bit. So there's no point in trying to speed it up if I can't play it from start to finish at 60%. Once I'm pretty comfy over the next few days, I should be able to speed it up. Here we go. Alrighty, there it is. After half an hour's worth of practice, let's see how we go over the next few weeks, and I'll keep you up to date.